Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services including servers, storage, database, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence over the internet to offer faster innovation, flexible resources, and economics of scale. You typically pay only for cloud services you use, helping you lower your operating costs, run your infrastructure more efficiently, and scale as your business needs change. Scientist John McAfee is the father of the world in cloud computing. Cloud computing is a big shift from traditional way businesses think about IT resources. Here are 7 common reasons why organizations are turning to cloud computing services. Firstly, it is a cost-effective solution. Cloud computing eliminates the capital expense of buying hardware, software, and setting up and running on-site data centers. The racks of servers around the clock, electricity for power and cooling, and the IT expert for managing the infrastructure. It adds up fast. Secondly, it's a higher security and scalability. Fourthly, we are going to talk about flexibility. Your business has only a finite amount of focus to divide between all of its responsibilities. If your current IT solution are forcing you to commit too much of your attention to computer and data storage issues, then you aren't going to be able to concentrate on reaching business goals and satisfying customers. On the other hand, by relying on an outside organization to take care of all IT hosting and infrastructure, you will have more time to devote toward the aspects of your business that directly affect your bottom line. Last but not least, documental control and disaster recovery.
One type of cloud computing is right for everyone. Several different models, types, and services have evolved to help offer the right solution for your needs. Public clouds are owned by cloud service providers who charge the use of cloud resources. Public clouds are owned and operated by a third-party cloud service provider, which delivers their computing resources like services and storage over the internet. Microsoft Azure is an example of a public cloud. With a public cloud, all hardware and software and other supporting infrastructure is owned and managed by the cloud provider. You access these services and manage your account using a web browser. A private cloud refers to cloud computing resources used exclusively by a single business or organization. A private cloud can be physically located on the company's on-site data center. Some companies also pay a third-party service provider to host their private cloud. Private cloud is one in which the services and infrastructure are maintained on a private network. The cloud infrastructure belongs and is operated by a single one organization, OpenStack. Hybrid clouds combine public and private clouds bound together by technology that allows data and application to be shared between them. By allowing data and application to move between private and public clouds, a hybrid cloud gives your business greater flexibility, more development options, and helps optimize your existing infrastructure, security, and compliance. The cloud infrastructure is a composition of 2 or more clouds, private, community, or public, that remain unique entities but are bound together by standardized or proprietary technology that enables data and application portability.
Types of cloud computing. There are 3 service models. First one is infrastructure as a service. This is a business service model of cloud computing that delivers computing, networking, and storage resources on demand over the internet and allows users to scale and shrink their resources as needed while reducing the requirement for high upfront capital expenditure or unnecessary owned infrastructure. It has advantage as it is the most flexible and dynamic model, and from its disadvantage, data security as issues to multi-tenant architecture. Second one is platform as a service. This one can be confusing. Basically, it's a service for developers to create and test apps without the complexities of maintaining the underlying infrastructure, such as servers, storage, and backup. From the advantage, the development process is quicker and simplified. Also, from its disadvantage, the compatibility of existing infrastructure, as not every element can be cloud-enabled. Last but not least, software as a service. This is basically a software distribution model in which a service provider hosts applications for customers and makes them available via the internet, so they don't take up limited on-premises resources. From its examples, DocuSign and Microsoft Office 365. From the advantage, cross-device compatibility, and from the disadvantage, loss of control. You're probably using cloud computing right now, even if you don't realize it. If you use an online service to send email, edit documents, watch movies or TV, listen to music, play games, or store pictures and other files, it's likely that cloud computing is making it all possible behind the scenes. The first cloud computing services are barely a decade old, but already a variety of organizations, from tiny startups to global corporations, government agencies to nonprofits, are embracing the technology for all sorts of reasons. Thank you.